Hello, my name is Santiago Gomez, and I am going to talk about my work context. In my work context, I think that the main attitudes, beliefs, and obligations that I should have are attitudes. I believe that I must have a great ability to communicate respectfully with all my colleagues, always using professional and assertive language. It is also necessary for me to have the ability to reach mutual agreements and take the lead when necessary. In the same way, I must have a friendly and empathetic attitudes towards all my work colleagues. I must perform my work activities in the best way and always be honest about my strengths and weaknesses as an employee. Beliefs. My ideal work context would be one where there would be respectful and equitable treatment among all employees and bosses. I would also like a work environment where wages are fair and working conditions are continuously improving. In addition, I would like the company to motivate its employees with economic incentives for food, transportation, or housing. Obligations. The main obligation that I think I should have is to be very responsible with the performance and delivery of my work activities. In addition, I must arrive at work on time and always show the best disposition in my working day. I must respect the decisions and orders of my bosses and correct my failures as soon as possible. Something that I also consider a very important obligation is to separate my work life from my personal life. Okay, and in my academic context, I think that the main attitudes, beliefs, and obligations that I should have are attitudes. The main attitude I must have is to be disciplined, as this is a fundamental tool to achieve all my academic goals. I must also have a pleasant attitude that allows me to interact in a great way with everyone around me. I must be organized with my academic activities to identify which one has the highest priority. I must have a resilient attitude that helps me face any type to challenge or obstacle within my academic context. Beliefs. My academic context would be one on where all teachers have an excellent ability to teach. That is, that they are pedagogues. In the same way, I would like all educational institutions to have an excellent infrastructure and financing from state or private entities. Finally, I would like an academic environment where the assessment of knowledge is less theoretical and more practical. Obligations. As students, we all have the obligation to give the best of ourselves to achieve all our academic activities. We must also be respectful during class and respect the time of the teacher and the rest of the classmates. Finally, I think that we all need to establish healthy social relationships that allow us to continuously improve.